morning and welcome to my channel Escape Wheels. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So the best part of the day is कि आज मेरा FlashX का सब्स्टिट्यूट आ गया है. सब्स्टिट्यूट मतलब मैंने FlashX को रिटर्न कर दिया था अमेजोन को. सो मैंने उसी टाइम द वेरी नेक्स्ट मोमेंट मैंने ऑर्डर कर दिया था हर्क्यूलिस का फ्लैशर एंड फाइनली इट इज़ हियर. सो अभी जो सुबह आया है मैं अभी अनबॉक्स करूँगा. आई शो यू द contents of the box and today itself by evening I'll be installing it in my motorcycle and I'll give you a installation video and I'll show you what all the contents in it and you can come to know how it's working, what are the pros and what are the cons. So without any more delay, let's unbox the package. Very simple and decent box, nothing much और कुछ भी नहीं. So I'll keep this aside and this aside. So I'll just open the box and I'll see what's inside. I think इतना ही है और कुछ नहीं है. So this is the installation, Hercules installation for all KTM and Dominar 400 and a Pillion Seat Connect. Where does the wire go? It shows what all the wires which are present in this module. Where does it go and connect? It has just given a small installation instruction. मैं बाकी पैकेज को खोल देता हूँ. पहले थोड़ा सा बॉक्स में आता था बट आजकल इन लोग ऐसे दे रहे हैं. Okay, this is the Hercules version 3.1. Initially, the last time I saw it was version 1.1 or 2.1. So it has now changed to 3.1. The warranty gets void if it is exposed to water. So it has been written warranty void if removed. Keep it dry. So this is the module, the controller, this is the socket, and these are 2, 3, 4, 5 cores which actually goes not into the male and female connector. These are not OEM couplers. It goes in between the OEM couplers. So you have to open the male and female connector and in between you have to put these cores and finally plug in between. You have to stuck it in between the plug. मतलब आपका दो मेल फीमेल कनेक्टर्स को आप खोलिए, उसके बीच में ये वायर को डालिए एंड इसको प्लग इन कर दीजिए. सो दिस इज़ अ मच स्लीकियर स्लिमर डिज़ाइन दैन दी फ्लैशएक्स एंड बहुत ही कम वायरिंग है, इवन मोर लेसर देन दी फ्लैशएक्स. सो बट द ओनली डिसएडवांटेज इज इट्स डजंट हैव अ प्लग इन प्ले सिस्टम. यू हैव टू जस्ट एक बार निकाल के उसको बीच में डालना है. सो दैट इज़ द ओनली प्रॉब्लम. बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. ओनली इफ इट स्टेज इंटैक्ट that will do good. So this is the DIY, do it yourself. It's again the same as I told you. Hercules is a Bangalore based company, electronics company, and this is the switch through which you have to change the flashes. It has around 100 patterns. Best part is that it has a follow me lamp just like a car. This indicator will glow. If you activate it, the indicators will glow for 10 seconds and it will show you the path if your bike is parked in a dark light and you are going towards your home. And thing is, if the flasher is activated and you do a left or right indicator switch, the flasher deactivates itself and automatically once you cancel the left or the right indicator as required by you, it again activates. So that's the best part and easy go technique which they have incorporated in this, which FlashX in my system which they had incorporated but the module was not working, so I had to change it and the patterns were not changing also. So these are the Hercules installation and it shows where the black, the red, the green, the grey and the yellow cores of the wires they go. And inside this module you have it contains the LED flasher light adapter installation instruction. There are some features which I told you, okay, and there are the usages and other thing. I'll put a screenshot of all this and you can come to know whoever wants to buy it. And most importantly is this, that as I told you it is a 100 pattern. It comes with a quick activation of 2 + 1 3, so total 3 modes of patterns you can select and keep. And secondly, as I told, there is a follow me light feature, one touch indicator, one specially designed low power pattern that can run without the key in the bike for 30 minutes without the switch, It remembers the large set of on and off hazard light patterns. Hazard light pattern can be quickly activated and changed using the ignition key as well. And as I told you, the most important, automatic hazard light feature will disengage automatically on using indicator for turn signals and will auto engage as I told you. Be also used as a day running light. Hazard light can be engaged and disengaged using the indicator switch. No additional button is used, and also it's a water resistance and a sleeker design. So at the back of the page you get the usage, how to switch on the hazard light, activate the pattern A, B, how to engage the pattern memory. So various modes of operations has been depicted, and I'll give you a screenshot. It's a quite a long of list, for a future reference can use it. So basically with the package you get the instruction sheet, this module and the controller, and a small set of instruction to where your wires go where. So in short, just 1, 2, 3 and 4, these are the small things which you get in the package. A very simple plug and play system. So I'll be installing it today. Yesterday also I had a ride, and the blog will be coming soon. So I wish मेरे पास ये होता and मैं इसको यूज़ करता, because early morning ride था, सबके पास flashes थे, everybody's bike was using, बट मेरे पे नहीं था. सो आई वॉज रिग्रेटिंग, बड़ा अफसोस हो रहा था, बट आज आ गया है. सो आज इंस्टॉल करूँगा. नेक्स्ट राइड में आप भी देख सकते हैं, एंड आज इंस्टॉलेशन सब वीडियोस में आपको दिखा दूंगा. टुडे इटसेल्फ आई विल गेट इंस्टॉल्ड एंड यू कैन सी इट, एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी इन द ब्लॉग. सो थैंक यू एंड कीप वॉचिंग माई चैनल. बाय. So as you can see, now the yellow wire from the module is being inserted to the red wire in the red connector, and already the green wire has been connected to the green wire in green connector, and grey wire is connected to the grey wire in the grey connector. So finally the only core left is the red one, which goes into the battery positive terminal of the red wire, and it's being inserted in the female connector, and finally the male connector is being plugged in. That's the only job you have to do, and finally you can connect the module into the female connector. That's it, and the work is done. Hi everyone, so I'm here. I'll give you a quick tour of how to activate, deactivate and change the pattern of your Hercules flash. So once you switch it on, you'll see the indicator glow shows 2 times. That means the flasher is activate and it into your circuitry ready to be used. So see, I'll just switch it on and I'll give you a look. So once you switch it on, see it glows twice, and you can see the indicators have also glown off. I'll show you it again. When you switch it off, I show you from point from here like this. I switch it on and the indicator glows. So this shows that the flasher is in line and ready to be used. Now coming on to how to change the pattern, you can save 2 patterns. First pattern, left, right and the center, and the first one gets activated. So I have kept a pattern which glows like this. I'll show you. Want to shut it down, what you have to do, again do the same procedure, left, right and center, and it gets deactivated. So for activating the second pattern, what you have to do is, initially I had done it left, right and center. Now you have to do right, left and center. So the pattern which I have saved right now is this, the regular hazard signal. To deactivate the pattern, you have to do right, left and center. Now to change the pattern, you have 2 ways. Either you activate, suppose you activate pattern 1, 2 and 3. You have activated the pattern, it just started glowing. So what you do next is you open your rear seat and through the module button change the pattern whichever you want. You press 1 for every pattern, and if you by chance you want to go to the previous pattern, just press the button twice. It goes back to the previous pattern, and once you shut the key off, it saves this pattern for pattern A. Else the other way is you activate the pattern and you switch off and on the ignition in succession and you change the pattern. So for every pattern you have to repeat this, switch off and switch on in succession. So this was the pattern, but I find the opening the seat and then changing the pattern is much easier and convenient. So same for the second pattern. So I'm now deactivating it. 1, 2 and 3, it goes into center, it gets deactivated. And for the second pattern, the same thing you have to do for changing the patterns and saving it. Now as you can see, my pattern 1 is glowing, and in case of any left or right turn, if I toggle the switch to left, deactivates the flasher, and you can see the bike glows only to the left indicator. And the moment you engage it, it again goes back into it gets activated into the flasher mode, and you can see it's now being activated. So that's the best part. At any moment of time you can toggle your left and right indicator as per usage and again come back to the activated mode of your flasher. So you need not do it again and again. Once you change the lanes, you need not activate the flasher again and again. So to activate the follow me lamp, you just need to switch on, keep it on your ignition, and press on the module button for some time, for a few seconds, and the features gets activated. And once it gets activated, all the 4 indicators will light up. And similarly, if you want to deactivate, switch off ignition and again switch it on and keep this in the on mode, and finally press the button over your module adapter for a few seconds and it gets turned off. So all the 4 indicators light will switch it off. So this shows the follow me lamp option has been turned off. So now if you're on a ride and you want to change your pattern, and suppose this pattern is activated, my B pattern is activated right now, and I want to change on the go and don't want to get out of the seat. So the best way is activate the pattern, switch off and switch on the ignition key, and the pattern changes. And whichever after, and if you don't like the pattern, again you have to switch off and switch it on and see the pattern. So whichever, in this way if you continue, you will get there are 100 patterns, you have to do it 100 times for whichever pattern you want. So once you find the right pattern, just switch it off and keep it there. The pattern gets saved automatically. So this is on the go during your rides. You can use it without accessing your rear seat and the module. So these are the ways through which you can activate, deactivate, change the pattern, and use your follow me lamp option. So I hope you find it helpful and useful. Thank you.